Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to see my latest videos. Why does the position of kumkum or tilakam matter for us at all? Is there any mystic element to the red dot? To answer this, I, Dr. Madhavi Padma, welcome you all to the part 3 of my presentation with amazing details from my research on the significance of the kumkum or tilakam. Many of our ancient masters and gurus emphasized the importance of adorning kumkum or bindi in the center of the two eyebrows, called as the Bhru Madhyasthana, which is also the third eye spot, like we see in the pictures of Lord Shiva's third eye. Every person has two physical eyes to see the outer world, and the third eye is to see the inner world, the soul or the Atma. This spot is also called as the Agna or the command chakra or the Guru's seat. In the yogic system, this is called as the Abhimukta Kshetra, connected with the sacred syllable Om, concealing the wisdom. Every spiritual seeker meditates or does the regular sadhana while concentrating on that spot to achieve the supreme goal of happiness and peace. Another interesting detail from the ancient texts is that a regular and systematic practice of meditation on the Agna chakra adorned by the kumkum, a phenomenal energy will be generated which actually increases the power of intuition through the activation of the latent energy of Kundalini, as seen in the picture. Kumkum, made by genuine or natural turmeric powder, acts as a medium on the Agna chakra, allowing a direct positive energy flow, and that taps the intuitive powers on regular meditation. In certain yogic poses like Balasana, that is the child pose, and the Ardha Pincha Mayurasana, that is the dolphin pose, the Agna chakra on the forehead is made to touch the ground for its activation and for the positive energy flow. As the Agna chakra is sensitive to sun rays, adorning of red color kumkum has the highest potential to protect from the intense rays and helps to retain its Shakti or the energy. Spirituality and science are the two sides of the same coin, and this wonderful association was proved by many past and the present spiritual gurus. The nerve plexus at the Agna chakra has a wonderful connection with the two important glands of the body. One is the pituitary gland, which controls the endocrine glands and the hormones, while the pineal gland, the second one, producing the melatonin hormone, regulates sleep, and the serotonin hormone, which keeps the individual calm and happy, even with a subtle pressure on the Agna chakra for few seconds. Shirodhara, an age-old Panchakarma treatment procedure in Ayurvedic medical science, and also the acupressure treatment procedures, this is a mystic spot having a vital role when the correct method of stimulation of Agna chakra is done. Many of the medical problems like headache, migraine, chronic sinus issues, fatigue, blood pressure, depression are reduced. Also, the vision will be improved. It relieves from stress and anxiety, thus improving good sleep, and finally helps to awaken the inner strength and the intuitive powers. And the social purpose of wearing a kumkum or tilak is to ward off the evil eye or the avoiding of attracting negative energies from outside. And in my research, I have just found that on the 13th March 2016, a video demonstration was done by Ashwita Goyal, where using a pendulum very clearly showed how the bindi in the powder or the liquid form or the paste form at the Agna chakra can protect the energy of the body, especially among the spiritually activated persons. This is one beautiful presentation in our modern times for those who still have a doubt. And of course, adorning the bindi looks beautiful and attractive for any woman, young or old. It was really surprising for me to read this article. In 2015, NPR.org reported that a little red dot could help women and babies stay healthy. And an initiative called Life Saving Dot was started by Neil Vasant Foundation and Research Center, a non-profit organization in Nasik, Maharashtra, along with creative ad agency Grey Group in Singapore. And here, iodine, a microelement needed for the hormone production, which helps to maintain the overall health, is supplied through adhesive bindis to more than 30,000 women in 100 villages with high risk iodine deficiency. And the results were amazing. It's an eye opener for many to celebrate the World Bindi Day on October 17th, 2020, launched by a 16-year-old Archita Nemalikanti living in the United States. Mission Bindi was started by her with a goal to reconnect Hindus to their dharma. 3 cheers to her. A very sad observation is that in the advertisements these days, with women in saris and bindi in 1997 was 75%, and it has come down to 30% in 2007, while today it is almost vanished. So when just a mere application of kumkum or bindi has so many health benefits and it also protects us, then why not? Why not we all give a serious thought to energize ourselves? Thank you all, my dear friends, and I hope it was interesting and informative. Kindly excuse me for any unintentional mistakes, and thank you for the support and encouragement.